Hello, this is episode 6 of How HARDI is made, and we will see the HARDI rotation moulded tanks. HARDI pioneered the use of synthetic tanks for sprayers back in the late 60s. The moulds are metallic and supported by a frame. We rotation mould the larger tanks in 5 locations around the world and make tanks up to 10,000 litres. The process is as simple as making Easter eggs, but instead of chocolate, the basic component is polyethylene. The design of the tank should ensure that it's easy to clean. The weight is on the tractor drawbar to help traction up hills. Good drainage, even on hillsides. Reduce the water hammer effect at sudden stops. And be self-supporting to reduce the sprayer weight. This shape also allows for a 500 litre rinse tank to be placed over the axle for more stability when turning. The polyethylene granulate, colour and additives are weighed out into the lower half of the mould shell. This 4,000 litre tank needs 200 kilograms of polyethylene granulate. The identification decals are placed in the upper half of the shell. The two halves are clamped together and are connected to the oven's rotating arms. The mould is placed in the oven, and whilst it rotates on 2 axes, the temperature is raised to 260 degrees Celsius. This melts the granulate, which evenly coats the inside of the mould. A cooling down process then initiates. Depending on the tank size, the complete process takes about 1.5 hours. The moulded tank now needs to have the relevant fittings attached. The holes are backbored. This ensures a parallel face for a waterproof seal on the curved surfaces. The wall thickness varies with tank size. The larger the tank, the thicker the wall. The Long Life in-moulded logo looks just great. The tank is now finished and ready for the main assembly line. Now you have seen how we make the HARDI rotation molded tanks. We hope you have enjoyed this video and we hope to see you next time.